Livin da BES!
Welcome back to another episode of our channel.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year.
So, it's our first time to be together after New Year. How's your New Year?
Working.
So, we treat ourselves with a little getaway on this tiny house, tiny trailer.
Tiny house.
Where are we, girls?
Fredericksburg. And we're here on a mini tour, mini VK.
On a blood heart trail.
Yes. So this home is called Willie. It's a tiny home that we've chosen to stay at. Tomorrow we have other activities that we are going to be sharing with you. But tonight, at the moment, so we're going to show you around the place.
I only get to see tiny houses on TV.
Oh, is this your first time?
Yeah, first time to
Nice. Okay,
visit
so
a tiny house.
Congratulations!
Yeah.
welcome.
I'm curious.
Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear.
Ito yung trailer.
Yeah. So this place is really nice. At the moment, the sun is just about to set. Then we have this little setup that we have, like a little backyard here. That's just for our, for us who are staying here. We have a little hot tub. We have
A
Fire
fire pit.
look at that. Oh, so we can marshmallow and do our s'mores tonight. There's a barbecue. So excited. Ooh. I'm just trying to get the outdoor lights. There, look.
Yay! It's lit up.
Hey, come in. It's nice and warm. That's for sure. So, welcome to Willie.
Really?
Let's turn on the lights here. Wow. So, as you can see, they have their little living room area here, which is nice and cozy. They have a TV there. And this living room.
Oh, LED lights. Baka millennial to ah.
And we got...
I bet you this is something that turns.
Yeah.
I'm just not sure how.
Transform.
Oh, there you go. Nice. And then,
Just,
I don't know.
So,
You could probably...
sit.
No, I mean like push it there.
Oh, yes.
Okay, that's what I like. Alright.
And
So we
there's
got a
blanket
fridge.
under.
Is that a blanket or a rug?
So does this one have a heater or something?
Yes,
Okay.
it should have.
The manual about this tiny house. It has these instructions about check-in, directions, entry, wineries that you can visit, tours, shuttle services, restaurants. This is very informative.
There's the microwave. It's very
Microwave.
cute. It's just
mini.
microwave now. And then they've got wine opener. That's very thoughtful of them. You got your plates and
Oh,
stuff.
we don't need so we got some glasses.
Ay, bumili pa ako.
That's good.
And then they have your coffee. So
Oh, I like it's complete.
yes. They have bowls and stuff if you want to use that for
Woohoo,
cooking.
for barbecue.
Then there's
S'mores.
s'mores later. And then that's for your trash and your
Trash.
cleaning stuff.
Good.
There's this, and then I don't know. I thought they said there was gonna be
it's
curry
there's a washer and dryer.
Yeah.
Wow.
for our for a hot tub.
Oh, this is cute too.
I want coffee.
I love that it's not a portable toilet.
It's a real one.
It's a real one. You remember the tiny house that we've been in Austin? It's a portable. But this is a toilet.
It's a real toilet. So cute. The lights are blinking.
So there are two places to sleep at. I believe that's the main bedroom, and then this is an extra bedroom. So
So this is the bed. I think it's a queen size bed. There's a window on each side and two people can sleep here. And that's the scariest part. Ang LC. And that part is nice.
Hi guys!
we have just finished setting up. Mine is the steak. So it's one of the other Which one is the one that's chicken is loose?
Buttered corn and mashed potato.
Ay, ito sauerkraut ata yung sa'yo. Ito. Sa'yo yan. Kasi feeling ko sauerkraut yung in-order ko sa ano.
Second day here in our tiny house. Really tiny house.
We have plans to go see the rest of Fredericksburg, what we can see this morning. So we have a spa day scheduled to be today.
Yes.
We'll make another video about that and review and see, tell you how it went. And tomorrow's a good day. Some more stuff planned for tomorrow.
It's a good day today. It's so sunny. But it's still cold outside.
Winter is here.
I'm Ardi.
I'm Zein.
I'm Lou. Join us for tour today of Fredericksburg. See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Partay na sa ibang bansa.
Hi!
Hello mga bes.
Testing! Hi mga bes! Good morning!
And we are here.
Yes,
Fredericksburg.
we're in Korea, charot.
We are here in Korea. Yay! We're in Fredericksburg.
Yes, we are in Gladheart.
Gladheart.
Back there is Willie, and that's where we stayed at last night. It's our tiny home. Right now we are going to have brunch before our spa day massage later on this afternoon.
We're so excited.
It's a really nice winter
Winter morning.
morning, yes, and we're gonna try and eat
Our leftovers.
Our leftover from last
for
night.
last night.
But
Yes.
it's so good. So
Yeah. We got this from Oslander, so we got some steaks and
sausage and
Jack
chicken.
Schnitzel.
yes,
Schnitzel.
some German
Bratwurst.
bratwurst,
Bratwurst. Sausage.
And a goulash.
goulash.
That if you eat, you're gonna goulash.
I had a good sleep.
I can tell.
Yeah. I'm snoring. I know.
So there is a game room as well. They have like pool, table tennis, some shuffleboard, I think.
We're going to check that out. Here we go. Thank you.
Parang juice lang. Thinking more so while filling up forms.
Hi, Mabes!
Good
Good
evening.
evening. We're back at the tiny home.
Tiny home, tiny home.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
And as you can see, we built a bonfire. Yay!
We got a mini bonfire
Fire pit.
here. Fire pit.
And instead of charcoal, they use glass.
Yeah.
It's gas,
it was
gasoline, electronic type.
Yeah.
So tonight, after all our massage spa, we had our marshmallow.
Yeah, we're gonna do
S'mores.
s'mores.
S'mores
Before this,
thing.
we had a lovely dinner at Martini's
Super lovely.
seafood house. Seafood house.
Fancy. Delicioso.
Great service.
Ambiance.
Yes, seafood was great. We had oysters and lobster.
It's fresh. It's fresh. And crab.
Love it. So now we're having dessert again.
We're having a
S'mores.
s'mores. And then after that, we could do our
Hot tub session.
Hot tub.
Yay, can't wait.
Alright. Care of Fian and Aaron, thank you for the light. You can't see the light.
Calling your phone, why you not hitting me back? Please just pick up, don't wanna go tit for tat. Arguing on, first is this, then it's that. Killing my vibe, now I'm writing this rap. This is not another love song, girl, you got me and me sprung on. Love it like you know your pick stick, curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no, now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip tie. Now you're running on the run, not a love song, not another love song. 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 Ran up the check, no safety on what you get. You know I'm Saint Nick, all year was getting you gifts. Can't lie, I know I've been gone, just trying to make a we spend. I know you wanted me home, don't understand why you split. This is not another love song, girl, you got me and me sprung on. Love it like you know your pick stand, curl me crazy like I did some. Really knew you was the one, no, now you're wanting to be done, so help me tie it like a zip.
Also, during our stay on the Gladheart Trail, we meet some animal friends.
Hello, cat! Hello, dear! Ayun. Hello! Doon tayo, binibidyohan tayo, sabi.
Ang cute nila. They did mention that they have donkeys.
Hi!
Bye, we'll see you later.
Ano ba susunod?
Ay, sasama sila.
Sana kaya.
Hello? Why are you so fluffy? What's your name? Hello. There's one there. That's Nelson. Really? Hey, babies. Hi, babies. You smell the food?
So, girls.
From Santa to Zein.
Sana. And then it got lost along the way, so I bought you guys the other one.
Oh, it got lost. Did they refund you?
No, I told them I want it, so they resent it.
Oh, good.
So they can either refund or they can resend it. So they resent it.
Okay. I'm curious.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which dish? Are
What
you
is-
ready? Are
yes.
you ready?
I did it
It's
right.
personalized.
I think it's a bubble wrap. I can feel it. Okay, let's open
Where?
it.
You would know.
I think, yeah, that time galing ko. I remembered right.
Ooh, personalized.
Oh my God.
Cute!
My
I have
name
one
is
too.
on
Kaya
it.
hindi ko mailabas eh.
Oh, we can wear it today.
Yes.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god. So Zein always give us something that's personalized.
I'd like to.
Oh, I love it.
My name is on it.
We can use it.
It's a, yeah, it's a
It's a handbag.